Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Have a look at this sentence. What can we do to reduce the atmosphere? What can we do to reduce the atmosphere? Underneath the sentence is a word, pollute. It's a verb, the verb to pollute. Can you change that word and make it another form? Adjective, noun, adverb, whatever you think, that can fit that sentence. What do you think? Change the verb, pollute, into another form. There's an article, the, so more than likely the next word is going to be a noun. So you want the noun for pollute. What do you think? Pollution is the correct answer. What can we do to reduce the pollution of the atmosphere? Changing words, building your vocabulary, easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope so. Bye for now.